Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. This is Deb with Deb Helps Crafty Cottage. And a few days ago, I don't remember exactly which day, I got my new paper pumpkin kit. I believe it was on Saturday. Don't hold me to that. Anyway, I did open it and I actually did take things out, but I didn't unwrap the plastic inside. So let me just show you. What a pretty box, right? Another pretty box. I haven't gotten the alternatives done from the October one. The November one is called Warm Wishes, and it's a very pretty box. It looks like houses and trees. I actually think this will go with last month's, which was called Home for the Holidays, and look like this. So you've got houses there and a house here and trees, similar decorations, right? One sec. So just from looking at the box, we see it looks similar. So let's open it up and see. Um, so I took this out of the tissue, which actually is yellow tissue, and it looks like little open bags or something, or bags with little, I don't know what you call them. We'll check it in a minute. And there's a stamp set and a Mossy Meadow ink spot. Get the box out of the way. So Mossy Meadow is a good color to have. It works as a neutral. In fact, they have it in their neutral category. So we have a decorative door here with some trees on either side and a wreath on it. And with love, special delivery, warm wishes from our home to yours. A little, looks like a little Scotty dog running with a scarf around his neck. And 'tis the season. So that's the stamp set. I guess it goes like that better. Okay, so let's open this up and see what's in here and see exactly what we're getting. But it does look like some kind of gift packaging. Almost looks like it would be good for, they have candies it looks like in it. I was thinking lip balm or something. I don't do the candies much anymore, just occasionally. We had zero, well, that's not true. We had zero trick-or-treaters on Halloween. We got two that stopped over that Friday, grandchildren of one of the neighbors, and that's it. And my daughter had fixed up 8 bags, so guess what? My son and I are eating, and we still have 2 left. Anyway, I love getting this cardboard, very useful. I haven't used it yet, but you can for dividers or to make book covers if you make books. I really should do that soon. So yeah, these are really cute. Let's see what it says on the back. It says contains supplies for 8 projects. Doesn't really tell you what the projects are called. I'll look inside in a minute. Coordinating colors, excuse me. Balmy blue, blueberry bushel, that's the darker blue in here, I think. Cherry cobbler, crushed curry, the lights in the windows. Daffodil delight, or maybe those also in the windows. Lemon lolly, all kinds of yellow. There's some yellow in whatever these are and these, the wreaths, I guess. Mossy Meadow, Night of Navy, Old Olive, Pecan Pie, Real Red. All kinds of colors to coordinate with it. And it looks like we get treat bags. These are the things that fold over. Looks like here. I don't know. Maybe. And, we'll have to see. And there's 2 varieties again, a blue one and a red one. And these look like stickers. All right, let's just look in here. All right, yeah, we have little wreaths here. They're pretty. They're cute. All kinds of labels. We have tags. We have round ones with holes in them. And these also have a hole in them, flagged banner. And there's 4 of round ones and 4 of the banner ones. And then these are shiny stickers, I think, for on envelopes, maybe. Maybe, no, we wouldn't have envelopes. Maybe for the bags, for on the bags. We'll see. And then you get these clear treat bags, and I'm sure there's 8 of them. They're long and thin. I guess they have to be thin because you're going to fit them inside these others. It doesn't. They used to give you a list, and I miss that they don't do that anymore. All right, so let's see how these work. This is the red one, and we're going to have score lines here. And a score line here. Oh, I don't want to push on that because it has glitter on both sides. Okay, so how it's going to go is basically like that. That's pretty easy. And inside on this one is Mossy Meadow striped. That's going to go over like that. We'll figure out the closure. And then the blue one, we'll go over like this and go like that. That's really cute. I don't know how they fixed, I guess they stuck it down. They gave us some tear and tape and linen thread. We get linen thread quite a lot, actually. And just so you know, my last box will be December, and then I'm going to stop for probably a year because I have to use up what I have. I have so much stuff. We got dimensionals as well. Let's look at the instructions real quick. I kind of already made it with you, right? Except for putting the bag in. There's maybe there's something that goes on the roof, like, or maybe a tag somewhere. I don't know. Let's look and see. I don't really need treat bags, especially, we're not doing neighbor gifts this year with my neighbors. Long story. All right, let's see what it says. This tells you everything you need: a treat bag, the linen thread, the shiny sticker, 5 wreaths. 5 wreaths? This is for the red one. Oh, no, And what do they do? So you need tear and tape, 3-dimensional, stamping block, ink pad. All right. You're going to stamp "'Tis the Season" on the round tag. And, oh, that's just showing both sets. Okay. And on this one, they're stamping "Warm Wishes from Our Home to Yours." And, okay, so here's the red one. And I was right. The shiny stickers go on the treat bag. You fold over the top and then close it with a sticker. And then they did put dimensionals on wreaths, and I believe what they did is, does it show where they're putting them on this side, on the side that has no wreaths on the windows already. This one already has some. I thought for a minute they'd put them over those, but no, they're putting them on these. So with dimensionals, we're going to be putting 5 wreaths on these windows. And then they wrapped the tag around this part where they stamped "Warm Wishes from Our Home to Yours" before they glue it down. They put tear and tape at the top here, and also I think on the bottom here, and that's to hold the treat bag in. Yep, that's what it looks like to me. Yeah. And then probably the same thing on the blue one. Yeah, the treat bag goes in here. And again, yeah, they put 3 wreaths on, 1 on the door and 2 on the windows for this one, like that, only this one is a door. And they did the round tag the same way. They wrapped it around the linen thread a few times, looks like 2 or 3 times, and tied a little bow to hang the tag on the top here. And tear and tape here, here, and across the bottom in the middle here, I think. It's hard to see. It looks like it goes down the middle of the bottom piece here, I think, to hold the treat bag in. And that's it. That's as easy as it is this month. So I'm not going to go ahead and make them because I just told you how to do it. Stampin' Up! Tools, they're advertising. Okay. So really the paper pumpkin kit is geared towards beginners, but uh, because this is really easy. And I don't need that many treat boxes unless I make cookies this year, which I'm thinking about making maybe 2 batches of cookies just for my son and I could put, one of each in one of these little treat boxes and give them to somebody. I don't know who. Anyway, and then they have alternatives here. You can look up how to do it. It says watch detailed instructions for this kit when you scan this QR code. Stampin' Up! Has, or Paper Pumpkin has their own channel on YouTube. You can watch them unboxing and making there. And then use your creativity. They show some examples on how to make alternates. This one looked like they've stamped the door 3 times and done a slimline. Um, And here it looks like they've just put it on used part of it as a card base. I don't know exactly. Yeah, that looks like a crumb cake or something, card base. And then they used part of the back, this part as backing, and then as a shadow piece, and then this on the front with just a wreath on the door or something. And then the little tags at the top. So, yeah, lots of possibilities. They show you how to make some alternatives, and I will try and do some alternatives. Now, like I said, I think this imagery will go really well with the Home for the Holidays, the one we got last month. So I might be combining some of this to make my alternatives. I'm kind of glad now that I waited, now that I see, I didn't wait intentionally, but now that I see what this one is. So I will try and get some alternatives made. I just dropped some of these. I found them all. Okay. Um, in the next week or so. I have some other things I have to get done first. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace. And if I don't talk to you again before then, and if you're in the United States, have a wonderful, happy, and healthy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your time with family and or friends, or even by yourself. Have a relaxing day. Do something you'd like to do. Traditionally, my mother used to watch Thanksgiving Day parades in the morning, and I forgot to do that last year because I was busy cooking. So I might just sit and relax, and if I can find a channel on my Roku thing that has the parades, I might watch a parade or two. I still have to be cooking, but I can watch it while I'm cooking, I think. All right, guys, and then we're off to my daughter's for Thanksgiving in the afternoon. Early evening. It's going to be dark by the time we get there. I used to have Thanksgiving at like 1 or 2. Just because everybody was older and they don't want to drive home in the light, but it's okay. We'll manage. All right. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Have a great week if you're elsewhere and don't celebrate or you don't celebrate Thanksgiving. And yeah, I'll talk to you again hopefully soon. Bye for now.